What I think is really cool to see is that we're all agreeing that machine learning and AI is going to be the future. And how are we going to apply to that and we deal with it, because there are so many price computations that need to happen.
You see that this platform offers a unique opportunity to reflect and discuss on the roadmap. I think that the challenges are the same for everyone. There are huge challenges in the market. Technology is evolving extremely rapidly, and they're all looking for solutions, whether it's partners or answers on their challenges.
Yeah, so my main takeaway is that organizations are dealing with a super dynamic environment where inflation, high piles of stock, but also changing consumer behavior is playing a big role in setting prices. Every organization here is just looking for solutions and to execute price strategies properly, maintaining profitability at least till the levels that they can.
The common ground of all my learnings was about the concept of price strategy agility. So a lot of factors you need to take into account, and these factors they can change day by day. So being agile in your strategy and which product should belong to which strategy, that's the key to survive.
Yeah, so my key learning was that even though we work in different industries, and there are quite a lot of industries here present at EPP, it really shows that a lot of the core problems and pricing that we work on as professionals are very similar and shared, and it was very cool to see how these different teams basically tackle the same problem.
I think I quite liked the relative intimacy we had during these 3 days. Even though we were, I think, almost up to 100 people at some point, we still could see that it was small enough to be able to have private conversation, in-deep expert, debate and so on. So that is also pretty nice.
My main learning, I think it was that many companies face the same problems as we do, and that we are going into the right direction with taking a hybrid approach by combining our in-house knowledge and our data flows with the external experience from pricing tool providers.